Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Dynamic Discs Prime Burst Golf Putter. The Dynamic Discs Prime Burst Judge is an excellent disc golf putter. This disc golf putter will fly straight while also handling high speeds without fading. Flying and striking the chains are extremely predictable. The Prime Burst Judge will deliver a consistent and predictable flight with enough glide to be launched off the disc golf tee pad and enough stability to withstand wind. Dynamic Discs Prime Burst Plastic has a fantastic feel, grip, and affordability. Even if the weather threatens your grasp on your favorite disc, Prime Plastic will provide an exceptional feel and excellent grip. Our objective at Dynamic Discs is to achieve excellence in design, innovation, distribution, and client solutions. We are ideally positioned to provide first-rate services to a wide consumer base due to our culture, drive, and the skill of each individual employee. We are committed to providing unrivaled market leadership while also attracting, developing, and retaining a diverse staff that represents the nature of our business. Our second best disc golf putters is MVP Disc Sports Disc Golf Putter. The Nomad represents James' ideal putter. Expect a neutral flight inside the circle, with some fade kicking in at circle 2, making the Nomad excellent for holding an hyzer or hyzer angles as necessary. Off the tee, the Nomad's straight stable flight will provide confident, straight lines with just enough glide to stick beneath the basket rather than blast beyond it. MVP's high-tech base material provides excellent grip and feel in all weather situations. Designed to wear progressively over time, offering improved glide and balanced flight. The Nomad, designed by the world champion himself, features everything James Conrad wishes in a putter. The Nomad is James' notion of an ideal putter, from the depth and shoulder height to the size of the little bead. Expect a neutral flight inside the circle, with some fade kicking in at circle 2, making the Nomad excellent for holding an hyzer or hyzer angles as necessary. Off the tee, the Nomad's straight stable flight will provide confident, straight lines with just enough glide to stick beneath the basket for throwers of all power levels. Third choice in our list is Doomsday Discs Golf Putters. Doomsday Discs has created a diverse line of disc golf discs inspired by apocalyptic landscapes, the apocalypse, and the physical and mental strength required to be a survivor. These premium plastic discs are long-lasting, flexible, and ideal for hurling in any weather or during catastrophic doomsday occurrences. Improve your disc golf game while society is still standing, and prepare for post-apocalyptic survival with high-quality Doomsday discs. The Dystopia is a long-lasting driver with a steady flight path and little fading. This disc is constructed of tough, gripping survival plastic. The Dystopia is a distance driver that can be controlled by both novices and experienced gamers. This disc is composed of ration plastic, which is semi-soft and flexible. Many newcomers underestimate the versatility and utility of putters. While it's fun to choose the faster and more aggressive disc for a 250-foot drive, most novice players would be better served by selecting the putter's slow and consistent flight. Your putter selection should consider how it performs off the tee just as much, if not more, than how it performs within the 10-meter range. The best putters for beginners will be adaptable enough to be used both on and off the tee. Number 4 in our side is Prodigy Disc 300 PA3 Disc Golf Putter. The Prodigy 300 PA3 is a laser straight flying putter that is suitable for all levels of golfers, from beginners to professionals. This means it's ideal for putting as well as teeing off. It will fly in a straight line. The Prodigy 300 plastic is a unique blend of materials that is strong enough to withstand heavy impact but may be worn in over time. It keeps its grip and terrific feel. The Prodigy PA3 was created in partnership with world champions to be the most consistent putting putter on the market. It comes in exactly timed. There is no right or incorrect putting method, and both have advantages and disadvantages. In general, a putter's fade rating will have a bigger impact on push putts, while the speed and glide values will have a greater impact on spin putts. Remember, these are all broad generalizations. The goal is to get the biscuit into the basket by any means possible. The putters on this list are suitable for spinners, pushers, splushers, pitchers, turbo-ers, or whatever name you give your own putting style. Last in our top 5 best disc golf putters list is Loft Discs Hydrogen Disc Golf Putter. Loft Discs has created the straightest disc golf putter in the world. They created the perfect straight flyer by combining disc golf experience and thousands of hours of computer modeling. Straight as an arrow, slow and dependable, the Loft Hydrogen is ideal for approach shots or short drives off the tee. A leisurely flight provides effortless control and helps you to throw straight with ease. Loft's premium plastic is Alpha Plastic. It has a very sleek and elegant appearance while being incredibly robust and gripping. The Loft Discs is one of the most popular putters among professionals, but that doesn't mean a beginner shouldn't give it a shot. The Loft Discs is an excellent putter for tee shots, with overstable flight qualities that aren't so hefty that it becomes a utility disc. The Loft Discs fly at modest and predictable speeds on huge hyzers and flex shots. This putter has incredible distance potential and could be the key to unlocking the glories of long putter shots for beginners. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.